You're watching Unboxing the Farm on the Old World Ranch. On today's episode, doing a little bit of firewood chores. Well, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. There's going to be plenty more firewood videos coming up soon. Here in north central Montana, it gets 30 below just about every year. And you definitely keep that wood stove going 24/7. Thanks for watching Unboxing the Farm on the Old World Ranch. Until next time, God bless you and your family, and be safe out there.